So AI video generation platforms had a limitation. They only used to generate videos up to 10 or maximum 15 seconds. And people used to do this. They used to create multiple clips, stitch it together, and then create their long form videos. But now things have changed. In this video, I will show you all how to create long form videos with minimal efforts. So for this demonstration, I'll be using Grok Imagine, and this is something which I've already opened. And the only thing that we have to do is go to this particular website, and there are multiple options. I can generate image, I can generate video, I can select the quality of the video resolution and the duration and also the aspect ratios. So let's say if I want to create a widescreen video, I just need to select here the third option, which is agent. So this is a new option that they have introduced. So when I click here, I just have to create a new project, and that's it. Now we just need to type something. I will keep this video very simple and explanatory so that it is easy to understand, and we just need to keep it very natural and specific. So just I want to create a cinematic video of, now I wanted to define something which is a bit fancy and cartoonish. So let's say a samurai cartoon with great graphics and kinetic motions with clean or with clean scenes of getting ready with all armor and winning a fight. Let's just say with villain. So yeah, I want to create a cinematic video of a samurai cartoon with great graphics and kinetic motions, with clean scenes of getting ready with all armor and winning a fight with a villain. Keep the video for 1 minute. So this is the main task, like how good of a quality we get, and let's also just mention it, and make sure all clips are progressive, and last frame and first frame of following clips are respected to give a proper movie trailer effect. So let's go. Let's see what gets generated. So I've just used this thing couple of times and I've got great results. Of course, I've not tried multiple things. Just started to explore in different directions. So it's just agentic. So it is not doing something new or specific. It is just doing the same old thing, just in an agentic style, where it generates a couple of images. So let's say if it chooses to generate 10 seconds clips, so it will create 6 clips for 10 seconds. So first it will generate images, and with respect to those images, then it will finalize the entire sequence of things, and then it will generate clips for each of those images that have been generated, and then in the end it will give two options. It will either stitch it together, or it will allow us to download the video, and we could do it like in any simple editor out there. So either of those work, but yeah, we'll get like the full thing available. It's already starting to create. So this is the first clip, like this is how it would start. The second clip is having like a villain that it has designed, which looks really good, and you see the details, like the detailing is very good. Let's see for the third image. This takes some time, but it should not take this much time. Usually under a minute or like 30-40 seconds it is able to generate images. This is still a bit longer. Probably it will do. Oh, okay, it generated a clip. Okay, that's good. Usually in my previous experience, it has just generated multiple images and then it has started to create clips. But you can also watch the uh, video here. So it's getting ready with its armor. I thought this was an image generation thing first, but yeah, it's generating videos. So yeah, videos take kind of a bit longer, probably a minute to half a minute as well for a 10-second video. The main thing is let's see if it uh, actually starts from this final frame of the first video. And yes, that's great job. It starts from the same parts where it ended. So it took the last frame and used it as a first frame for continuation. So that's like a very good part of Grok that I like.
This armor has seen many battles. Today, it will serve again. This armor has seen many battles. Today, it will serve again.
So two videos done extremely well. So I'm expecting it to do total 6 images for 1 minute. So 10 seconds, 10 seconds. We already have 20 seconds work done. Let's see. Let me ask it to do one thing. So why? I'll just copy all these and ask it to stitch these into one. Alternatively, for most more precise stuff, what we can also do is we can just generate an image here for a starting point. For example, I'll just say something similar. Samurai getting ready for a fight. So it will just generate multiple options here, and we could just select one option, download that, and use that as the starting point. So yeah, this is more realistic. So what we could do is rather than relying on that one completely, we could just generate an image, download this, and when we go here, we can just add images by clicking on this, and it will just use that as the starting frame, and through that you'll get like a more precise and proper context for the entire thing.